Okay, do you work or study?
Currently, I am studying. I have just passed my recently bachelor exams, and nowadays I'm taking IELTS classes for higher studies in abroad.
All right. Do a lot of tourists visit your country?
Yes, a lot of tourists visit my country, like in the northern areas, like Skardu, Kashmir, and Gilgit-Baltistan. People come from different areas to come to see the nature, like and the world's second highest mountain, like K2. Those most of the people come from the foreign countries to visit that places.
Okay, what are the most popular places to visit?
In my country, there are a lot of places where visitors can easily go and get and enjoy that places. One of the most is nowadays is Skardu, and it is very famous for its natural beauty. There are a lot of different places like the Sai Plains and Kaplu Lake and many more like others.
Okay, how important is tourism to the economy of your country or region?
Sorry, repeat that again.
How important is tourism for the economy of your country?
Tourism can play an important role for the income of the country. Like if the people coming from the abroad, like foreign countries, when they come, they will come and they will add an income in our country through different. If they visited their places, they will. Book a hotel in which they can we get an income, and they can even take a guide when they go there the foreign places. So there are a lot of ways we can get income to our
All
countries.
right, that's good. For part one, your answers are reasonably good. Just try to give random ideas, not the same idea in every question, different ideas. Now, you need to talk about a holiday you enjoyed. In the past, there was a holiday, you went with your friends or family to any area and you enjoyed there, you stayed there for a couple of weeks. You will talk about that, okay?
Recently, in the Muharram, 9th, 10th Muharram, I get the holidays, and went with my family to Skardu, and I spent complete 1 week over there. I mostly go holidays with my family members, and the recently in Skardu, I enjoyed a lot.
I went.
I went first day on Shangri-La Resort.
I went to Shangri-La
I went
Resort.
to Shangri-La Resort, and I spent whole my day over there and have a boating over there. On the next day, I went to the Kaplu Fort, where I see the where I saw the museum. Where I saw the museum. Even for 1 day, I stayed in a Serena hotel, and I enjoyed a lot of there. On the next day, we went to the Sugar Fort, which is also a very beautiful place for the visitor to see. And even over there, I also spent 1 day in the Sugar. One of the most
Okay, all right, you've spoken for 1 minute. Try to connect your ideas together and mainly use compound sentences. And there were a few grammatical mistakes because your topic was in the past, mainly focus past tense. Let's go on. Why do people go on holiday?
Well, most of the people go on the holidays to get relaxation from the tired work, and then because they work from day to night most of the time, and to get there some relax, they went mostly to the places where
They go to the places.
they go to the places where they get relaxed their mind and feel comfortable.
Okay, what are the most popular types of holidays today?
Most popular type holidays are today are the Christmas holidays, even the 9th and Muharram holidays, Eid holidays, and something like others.
All right, you can talk about holidays like people go to the mountains, that is one type. People go
Okay.
to the beaches, that is another type.
Okay, fine.
Adventure holidays, like that. Okay, how important is it for families to go on holiday together?
It is very important for the families to go holidays together, because this is the only time when all the family members can get together and spend a lot of time with them. They can enjoy, and even they can discuss all the matters, family matters, and some other issues while enjoying the holidays.
All right, overall it's quite good. You're speaking fluently, just speak energetically, and there are some grammatical mistakes. That is your weak area. Looking at your overall performance, now I give you 6 band. Although you are very close to 6.5 already. So with a little improvement in grammar and energize your answers, then you can reach 7, right? Thank you.